Trader, SPX overbought. We're going to have a big, tremendous down move in the next 3 total weeks, moving starting on Monday. I'm just letting you know that. I'm letting you know about the OEX index up at the high. Yes, they can go a little bit higher. It does have a buy signal, but it's at the high. The NASDAQ composite, again, it's come all the way up. We've had a 3, 4, 5 count right to the top. Yes. So what does that do? It means that this relief rally, which was 5 days, but let us not forget when it went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days on the bottom down, 5 days up to resistance. There's going to be a big drop in the NASDAQ composite. I will tell you that the NASDAQ 100 right here is the same thing on a daily, just to let my traders be aware that it's not totally overbought and we can go up to another higher resistance and whatnot, and we can. So we just want to make sure that we understand that the top is there and that the bull rally has been relentlessly up for 5 straight days totally. Math works the same way. 5 days down, 5 days up. Know what resistance is. This is a brief wrap of a Friday night update, real quick. I know everybody wants to be excited. Get excited over the trend line. Get excited about joining us. Don't you hesitate. You better get with this. I'm telling you that this market is headed for disaster. Mark my words. You won't forget them.